Finally, task 7, cleaning a trip. Hello, my name is... Hello, my name is Lidis Maria Mesa Cadena. In this video, I will talk about my last trip experience. Trip to the Colosseum in Rome, Flavian Amphitheater. Trip to the Colosseum in Roma Flavian Amphitheater. Last week I decided to travel to the city of Roma with my family, my parents Matthias and Adelaida, my husband Eli, and my son Eli Calais, which was wonderful experience with my loved ones. Flying trip Bogota, Madrid, Roma, Italy. It's all started on a plane from trip Bogota with a stopover in Madrid and then to Roma, Italy. When we arrived in Roma, the first sight beside was the Colosseum in Roma, a spectacular and historical place that represents the ancient power of this city. We also attend some events such as the Papal Mass, I guided tour for the museums on Roma, a tour of the Amalfi Coast, and a visit to one of the most beautiful parks in the city known as Villa Borghese. For that trip we then the suit of millions pesos what with the cover our experience. Including the stay at the Bid-Bay-Night and Atlantis in Roma hostel, as well as the Gracia Anglices Feliz Estacio restaurant, one of the best restaurants to eat in the city of Roma. Finally, but how other living this beautiful experience in witness new place, culture, custom, and people with which although I will repeat again because I had not words to explain what this adventure really was. The family trip that we made last week to the city of Roma was as a unique and unforgettable experience in world life full of pleasant memories. Thank you very much.